everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Falcon 64 project. Today I am working on the lower cowl. I want to show you what I'm doing. This is going to be controversial. I know everybody's going to tell me that I should have replaced the lower cowl or patched it better than what I did. But anyways, I could not locate a lower cowl anywhere to replace it. So this is where I'm at. I got everything stripped down. All the paint removed, all the rust removed. Everything's been wiped down with acetone. I've welded in supports here. You can tell I'm not the best welder, so anyways, welded in some supports. It was a bunch of little stuff like that, little pinhole stuff. I got this that I'm going to be using some Bondo for, so I can smooth this nice and smooth, so the new the upper cowl will weld up right there and be flush with that. I still got plenty of mating surface here to sit there and weld to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fiberglass from here all the way down, around, and I'm going to fiberglass the hat. So anyways, I got everything stripped down, as much of the rust as I could remove. On the bottom of it, I took some Gorilla Glue tape, duct tape, and covered it all up from the underside so that none of my resin will fall to the ground. I'm gonna go ahead and coat this with resin, put my material down in it, recoat it, and cover up all these holes. So that's what today's video is. I know most of y'all are gonna sit there and say I should have repaired most of this with metal. Like I said, I'm not the best welder, and I'm not doing a full ground up restoration on this. It's not going to the Malcolm auction. It's going to be in this garage for the rest of its life. If I sell it, I'll make sure I'll tell the new owner that the lower cowl is fiberglassed in and all the rust is stopped from that side. It's going to be a driver car. So anyways, let me get my resin mixed up and we'll get started, and I'll bring you back then. Alright, so what I mixed up was 8 ounces of resin. That's 10 drops of hardener for every ounce of resin you got going on. Like I said, I'm just going to cover it quickly. That's a good start. Put that there. Never fails. As soon as you get something going on, my wife wants to text me. Put this up and over. Put this down in here. resin again. I'll bring you back around so you can see all this. I'm going to cover this hat up. As you can tell, the hat is pretty well ate up. Then cover up the inside as well. Boy, if you get this stuck on your fingers. would recommend wearing some gloves or a respirator with this. I'm not doing it just because I am in a well ventilated area, but I am trying to talk to you at the same time. So. I was hoping I could get this. Alright everyone, I just want to bring you back, show you the final product here. It is dry right now. So I went back and did the hat, and this is all covered in resin. It does need to be lightly sanded, and of course I will paint it to match. So I'll tape off onto both sides, and I'll just go ahead and paint it. So that's how it turned out. Didn't have anything leak into the inside because of the tape, and this should prevent the water from leaking in. So obviously it rains through the cowl, that water will run down through here. This is open, of course this is all closed off up to here, and this is wide open, so the water's supposed to just drain down and run down the side of the inside of the fender. So that's how that works. So anyways, this concludes this video. Appreciate you watching. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Please like and subscribe. Hit me up with your comments. Tell me what you think of the video and my process and not using metal. Just be nice, that's all I'm asking. Anyways, I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.